looking at my hips and thighs. Smoke that weed, I know you're high. Don't act tough, I know you're shy. Loving how you're looking at me, fulfilling my needs. I see you got my song on repeat. Calling on my phone lately, got me shaky. Boy, you got some bread with that cheese. Easy. It's how my love comes to you. No price, no demands.
Okay, I am at the campsite. It is near Double Island Point, and honestly, it's the nicest campsite I've ever been to, minus swimming in the water, because I found 3 shovel nose ray heads, and then I also found 2 little shark heads, tossed little carcasses. So I probably wouldn't swim in the water because it is known to be ick, but yeah. Beautiful sunset. I love it. So just cooking dinner, relaxing, and making some content and stuff like that. Yeah, I love things about this area as well, because you've got obviously Double Island Point. I've taken my e-foil board there. You've got Tin Can Bay with dolphins, and I love dolphins. So yeah, and then Tin Can Bay, little area, like the town, it was great. It's got like a pub. You can get some like gelato and ice cream. They've got like IGA to get shopping done. I couldn't last without my shampoo. I had to get my shower going. Yeah, I'm also just showing you I did get this Open Road awning, so thank you so much to Open Road. I do have a discount code. I'm going to leave the discount code down below for you in the description box if you want to see the Open Road awning. But honestly, it's really good. My friend has the same awning and I just love it. So yeah, I'll get that up and show you more of the awning, because honestly it's really cool, like the way you can film at night and just like open the awning for nighttime and leave it open all night for just the lights itself, and they can change different lights. I like to keep it on orange though because of the insects and all that. I'm not a fan of the big moths. But yeah, oh, my bacon. I forgot about it. Fuel lock on. Okay. Okay, we have flour. I've got lovely burnt bacon. It's not too bad, much. Okay. I'm not a master chef, unfortunately. I am much better at being loving and cute than I am cooking eggs. Actually, I'm good at boiled eggs when I don't forget that they're boiling. Okay. Oh. Yes. My finest work right there. Thank you very much. Look at that egg. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, this view is beautiful though. I feel so blessed right now. I have beautiful food. I have some delicious food. I've got this campsite. Hammock. Look at this get up right here. And the beautiful view. Isn't that perfect? And of course, the Open Road awning. Cannot fault the Open Road awning. Okay, so it was getting a little bit dark and there wasn't enough lighting. So I've just got the Open Road awning lights on. So I just opened up the awning. I like personally having it out at nighttime, like my friend does now. She's got the same awning, and I got that idea from her, having it open at night. And I really like that aspect of having it out at night because, like, it's really cool. I didn't put the little feet up though. Yeah. Cooking some eggs. I'm not the best cook, I will admit. But yeah, so I've just got the lights on. Okay, so I do like that they've got different settings. So obviously off, and you can even turn this blue bit off if you wish. But yeah, I like the orange the most because I'm not a fan of the bugs, so I like to keep orange on. Do you like this egg? That's a good egg. Perfect. Wonderful. Love it. Love it.
Sunlight plays on the ocean. We wake up, kiss in the morning. Soft touch, feeling the moment. You light up, sun-kissed, you glowing. I feel my heart go and hear the waves roll. The sky's bright blue and I feel beautiful. 'Cause I dreamt of heaven and it's here, yeah. All the colors in the moment. I can taste the sweetness in the air, yeah.
Oh. Mostly good, mostly good. My egg is so good. Yeah, just enjoying the day. I'm just enjoying the water. This place is so nice, honestly. Just needed a little bit of food, so nothing better than like bacon, egg, salad sandwich. The water's going out a little bit, but it was really nice this morning when the water was up higher. It was excellent, but yeah, it's been interesting. I've seen so far 2 shark heads, little ones, and 3 shovel-nosed stingray heads. So there's obviously something chomping on them and making it flow this way, but yeah, I kind of flung them back in the ocean. And the seagull's eyeing out my food. You're not allowed any, mister. Somebody's watching me.